Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Tracy. I'm back for another video. And we're going to do unboxing. It's going to be an unboxing video for you guys. As what you've seen on the title, this is going to be an unboxing video for the brand The Horse. Yes, this is a bag brand from Australia and I ordered 3 bags from them. So we're going to do unboxing for today. So if you want to see what's inside this box, please keep on watching. Before we start, welcome. I'm Tracy. I do bag unboxing videos, sometimes first impression review videos, and once in a while I do upload vlog videos. If you happen to like my channel, please consider subscribing. And for all who already subscribed, thank you so much for your support. Now, let's proceed to this box. This is from the brand The Horse. It's an Australian brand. So this package came all the way from Australia. Yes, and it was shipped through FedEx. It was fast shipping. Less than a week, I already received my items. I've seen this bag before on my non-coach Facebook group. They posted pictures of this bag, and let me get the scissors first. And they kind of mentioned, like when I was browsing, they kind of mentioned that it is a good price, it's a good brand, but there's not a lot of reviews about this bag. And like on my YouTube, home TV YouTube, I've seen like here and there, like titles of the brand, of this brand, but I didn't really, like it didn't really caught my eye. But the one time I was looking at TikTok, and there's one TikToker, I think Sean. I'll just insert him here. I saw his video about the horse bag. Then that started that, like, I got curious about this bag. So enough of the chit chat. Let me open this box because it's big. It will be my first time seeing this bag in person. I've watched what's that, the Gal's Guide, and she said, she mentioned this bag, and this is one of her favorite bags. And based on the reviews and the pictures that I've seen, this is giving the Loewe vibe, you know, the Loewe puzzle bag. So I think that's the vibe this bag is giving. I cannot open this box. Oh, so these are 2 boxes that they put together. Okay, this is more of a surprise. So these are 2 boxes that they put together. This one is lighter, so this must have 1 item. This one is heavier. Probably those are the 2 items. I ordered 3 bags, 2 similar design, different color, and 1 different design. Ay. It's been a while since I did unboxing video for you guys. Every time I try to set up and film, it gives me anxiety. One of the reasons why I kind of slowed down on filming, because anxiety will kick in every time I look at the camera, and then I cannot talk. My daughter said, just speak in Tagalog, ma. I said, okay, I'll try to do that. But sometimes it's hard to explain it in our language, like how to describe it properly when I describe it in Tagalog or Filipino. So don't be surprised if it will be mixed with our Filipino and English. So it will be Taglish, Tagalog, and English. So here we go. Here we go. This is our first item. Look at that. Look at that. It's cute. So it has a dust bag. There you go. I can't remember the name of this bag. I know the other two names because those are the popular ones. But this one, I can't remember. Look, look, look. Look at that. Ooh, cute. Cute. Now I have to wear my glasses. This is the dust bag. It came with, has the horse. The horse. It's hard to pronounce in English. It's cute. Flannel feel on the outside. Inside is like cotton feel. Now let me wear my glasses. Okay, this is the Alexie Tote in the color coffee. Yes. I think this color for the Alexie Tote, they have different colors already. This is a newer color that they came out, I think, because it's on the website. It says they're a new arrival. So this coffee tote, look at that. It came all wrapped. Oh, this is so nice. So we'll look into this bag later, and let's open another box. So this is what I'm more excited about. The feeling of excitement when doing unboxing. Always fun to do unboxing. This one is good. Look at that. Look at that. So we have two items. First and second one. These are heavy. The bag itself is heavy. Let's put here and here. These are the same bags, same design. It's just different color. So let's open it up and show you what I got. Oh, there's cardboard. There's cardboard, which is nice. It protects the bag. Yeah. So let's do that. And this. And let me grab it. Ta-da! These are the two bags. This is the Clementine. I think this is the Clementine bags. There you go. I think this is the Clementine bag. This is in the color oat, and this is in the color taupe. I was debating if I will get the taupe or the oat. When I saw the video on TikTok, so I went to the website right away, and they're all sold out. Like especially the olive one. The olive one is the color that I really want to get. But then it was sold out. The only one available is this color oat, and this one is pre-order. So I just pre-ordered this one and get the oat. Why not? I like the color of like chalk for Coach brand. So I said, why not? I'll get them. The color is so nice. Look at that. It looks like vanilla, like a vanilla latte color. And this one is taupe. Yeah, it's like a mocha. It's taupe. I don't know how to explain it. Now, I have to make an individual video for these bags because it looks so good. I just have to make separate video on this. Since I've mentioned this is going to be an unboxing video, yes, I'm not going to do more details on this bag on this particular video. I'll make a separate video on each bag, their features, and then later on I'll do a review. I can show you 360 look on this bag for now. All right, so this is the Alexie Tote, and it is in the color coffee. That's a 360 look at this bag. It is silver hardware, and it comes with a crossbody strap. And then let's take a look at the Clementine taupe for a 360 look. And the bottom. And then this is the color oat. There you go. So for our next video, we'll have a try on, what fits inside, or more detailed look at this bag. So yeah, that's it for our unboxing video for today from the brand The Horse. Until next time, thank you for watching. I hope you like our video for today. If you do, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And also don't forget to hit that notification bell button so you get updated every time I upload a new video. Till next time, thank you for watching. Bye!